BMW E30 50 V8 swap. Let's get the battery sorted.
Welcome back to a quick episode. It's time to fill the battery tray. So here is on the passenger side where the battery should go. This car, when I bought it, did not come with a battery, so I need to go ahead and source my own. In an effort to increase the cranking amps, I decided to measure the original battery size, and I need to go ahead and have enough power for a V8 instead of the four-cylinder that was in here. There were several options to choose from, and what I ended up deciding to go pick with was a T5 group size. That's 650 cold cranking amps. And what I'm going to go ahead and do, it worked out really, really well, is I went ahead and got these little hold downs, and it came with a pretty wimpy bolt actually, so I'm going ahead and I'm going to switch it to a 3/8 inch bolt with a washer on top, and on the bottom side, it was very accessible. We'll have a washer, lock washer, and a nut. So it's kind of oriented the way it's going to be inside of there. There's going to be 3 of these hold downs, left side, front side, and the right side. One of the reasons for this also is that I know it's dark in here. Inside, there's a lip underneath here that actually forms to the edge of the battery as well, so it's kind of like the whole back side is actually like another hold down. And with all the darkness here, we'll see if we can find, so here we go, there's a hole here, which I went ahead and just drilled it out to slightly larger for 3/8 inch. There's several holes on the other side as well for the right side, so again I drilled that one out slightly larger. And then what's interesting is this one lined up really, really nice. There was a different threaded hole here, and so I actually just went ahead and drilled it out a little bit and then tapped it, so it is actually a 3/8 thread at the moment. And then the ground strap's going to go here. The entire battery is only going to come out about the corner right here, and so it's not going to interfere or get in the way of any of this stuff. So once that's all done, I should have a battery that is the same size of the original. However, it is going to be about 150 or so cold cranking amps stronger, and so hopefully that serves me well for the next few years at least. Till next time. Here's the battery fully installed, secured in front, on the right. In the back it has the little lip, and also on the left. And as a quick example, basically we have washer, lock washer, and a nut, and that's for each of the 3 hold downs. Nice and secure, not moving at all.